Hi, it's Dan from Bocain Designs, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make advanced coupons using this dynamic pricing and discounts plugin. This plugin, I've been using it for easily 5 years now. You can see they've sold almost 21,000 copies of it. It's been recently updated. Highly recommended. So once you've purchased it and installed it and activated it, go to your WordPress site, go to WooCommerce, go to Pricings and Discount. And this has already been set up. We have other coupons on this website, but in your case, you would have nothing listed here, and that's fine. Click Add Rule over here on the right, and then we're going to do Simple Adjust, and we're going to make a note called Save Now, because that's going to be the name of the coupon, discount. And that's just so the client, when they're in their website, they know this has to do with the Save Now coupon. And basically, they want to give a 20% off detail or 20% off of most things in their catalog, but not everything if this is used. So we can come here, go to percent discount. We're going to say 20%, that's what they want. And then it only applies to certain products. So products in these categories. So certain categories on the website allow for the 20% off discount. So I'm going to quickly add them all. And basically just add whatever categories or products specifically you want to give the discount on. In this case, once again, the client has several different types of socks, but not all the socks get the discount. So I'm just being very careful to only apply to the specific categories that have been passed along. Okay, so we have our first entry. I'm going to save it and just re-explain everything again just in case you missed it. So we have our simple adjust. Basically, we are going to give a 20% discount on anything in these categories, but we need a condition still. We want to make sure that they've entered a coupon. Coupon applied is at least one of the following. And then we're going to put the coupon name, which is Save Now, and click Save. So basically, if they use Save Now, and it's one of these products in these categories, save 20% on that product. And now we're going to clone this exact same group. So now we have two of the same. And the reason I'm doing that is I want the same coupon applied. It's still the Save Now discount, but this time it's a 50% discount because there's a few categories that qualify for a better discount. So product category in this list, so we'll say, and right now I'm just writing down the name of the categories that my client provided for the discount. And then we click Save Changes. And you can see now we have one coupon. If they enter Save Now at the checkout, if they've ordered any of these, it'll knock 20% off these products while knocking off 50% of the cost of these